For today's protein pack with 16 grams of protein, I have Bumblebee's roasted garlic and herb. And aside with this, I want to go ahead and make a toast. I got this amazing sourdough from Whole Foods. Growing up in Northern California, a literal bike ride away from San Francisco, I had boudins right at my fingertips. And just a few minutes away, I also had Bordinaves, and they did an extra sour sourdough. So I had this affinity for sourdough, and well, admittedly, I'm a bit of a sourdough snob because of it, being spoiled by those amazing breads. And the rest of the nation just doesn't get sourdough in my opinion. But this one, pretty darn good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that toasted up right quick. Now that we have the toast, I'm gonna go ahead and start it with some avocado. There's just something about the creaminess of an avocado. Having spent my first 20 and a half years in Northern California, avocados are a big thing. Now let's go ahead and get this opened up and tasted. I can already smell the garlic. Oh yeah. But smells can be deceiving. Smells are deceiving. I'm not really getting much garlic on it. A little bit. I mean, ooh, poquito, tiny, teeny. I'm not really getting the basil off of it either. I mean, it has a good flavor, but none of the garlic and herbs are like coming to the forefront. Go ahead and get this down here. For a little bit of crunch, I'm gonna dice up some cucumber. The warmth of the bread versus the cool of the cucumber, plus the crunch and the freshness, just adds a little something. I like a little bit of briny saltiness, so I'm gonna add a few capers on top. And then finally, for a little morning mouth wake me up, just a tiny little squeeze of lime. Just a few little drops on each piece, that's it. And we have a gorgeous toast. But now for the important part, did my plan work? Let's find out. That absolutely works. Just that little bit of brine, and I do mean a little bit of brine off those capers, goes great with the tuna. The freshness and the coolness of the cucumber, plus the smooth avocado, it all just combines so nicely on that. If you want more ideas of what you can do with these amazing little packets, I created an entire freebie for you with every brand and every flavor of ideas of what you can do with them. The link for that is down below. For more of this packet journey, check out this playlist. And remember, cook for one, have some fun, waste none. I'm gonna go eat breakfast, and I'll see you in the next one.